Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your tax information to your TikTok Shop Seller Center. Let's get started. First, log into your TikTok Shop Seller Center dashboard. Once you're on the main page, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see an icon that looks like a person or a shop. That's your account menu. Click on that icon to open the drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select My Account. This will take you to your account management page. Now, look for the Account Settings option in the menu on the left side of the screen. Click on Account Settings to expand the options. You'll see several options here, but the one we want is Tax Information. Click on Tax Information to open the Tax Settings page. This is where you'll enter all your business tax details. Now, carefully fill out all the required tax information fields. Make sure to enter your exact legal business name, tax identification number, and any other required details exactly as they appear on your official tax documents. Double-check everything for accuracy before submitting. Once you've entered all your information, click the Save or Submit button at the bottom of the page. TikTok Shop may take a moment to verify your information. Once processed, you'll receive a confirmation that your tax information has been successfully added to your account. That's all there is to it. Remember, keeping your tax information current is crucial for compliance and smooth operation of your TikTok shop. Thanks for watching.